Hashtags are like magic words for your YouTube videos. They are small but mighty tools that can significantly boost your video's visibility. They help people find your content by categorizing it and making it easier to search. Think of them as signposts guiding viewers to your awesome videos. When used correctly, they can direct a lot of traffic to your channel. When you use hashtags, your videos show up in search results more frequently. This increases the chances of your content being discovered. This means more people can discover your channel, leading to a growing audience. More views, more subscribers, more fun. It's a win-win situation for any content creator. Hashtags connect your video to other similar videos, creating a network of related content. This puts your content in front of a wider audience, increasing the chances of your video going viral. It's all about getting your amazing work seen and appreciated by as many people as possible. Ready to boost your YouTube game? Hashtags are your secret weapon. Let's dive into the world of hashtags and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel. Hashtags are simple. They're just words or phrases with a hash symbol in front. But don't let their simplicity fool you. You see them everywhere online, and YouTube is no exception. They are a powerful tool for categorizing content. On YouTube, hashtags act like keywords. They help organize and find content more efficiently. They tell the platform what your video is about. This metadata is crucial for visibility. This helps YouTube recommend your video to the right people. The algorithm uses these tags to match content with viewers' interest. When someone searches for a hashtag, YouTube shows all the videos using that tag. It's a way to group similar content together. It's like a direct line to viewers interested in your content. This can significantly boost your video's reach. Remember, hashtags are all about connecting with your target audience. They make your content discoverable to those who care about it. Choose them wisely and watch your views soar. Effective hashtag usage can be a game changer for your channel's growth. Adding hashtags to your YouTube videos is super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Open the YouTube Studio and select the video you want to edit. Scroll down to the Tags section. In the Tags box, type in your desired hashtags, each separated by a comma. Hit save and you're done. Your video is now hashtag ready. Remember, don't stuff too many hashtags. Stick to a handful of relevant ones for best results. Section 4. Choosing winning hashtags, tips and tricks. Choosing the right hashtags can make a world of difference. They can significantly boost videos' visibility and engagement, helping you reach a broader audience and connect with viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. Just to help you pick winners, these strategies are designed to maximize your reach and ensure your content gets the attention it deserves. 1. Think yourself in the shoes of your audience. Type into the search bar to find content like yours. What would people search for to find your video? Use those terms as hashtags. This approach ensures that your content is discoverable by those who are actively looking for it. 2. Mix it up. Use a combination of broad and specific tags. This helps you reach. Broad hashtags can attract a large number of viewers, while hashtags can target them that is more likely to engage with your content. 3. Research your niche. See what hashtags other creators in your niche are using. Get inspired. Look at top performing videos in your category and take note of the hashtags they use. This can give you valuable insight into what and what doesn't. Check hashtag popularity. Use a tool like TubeBuddy to see how popular a hashtag is. Aim for a good balance of popular and niche-specific tags. Popular hashtags can increase your video's visibility, but specific tags can help a more targeted audience. Remember, effective hashtag use is about understanding your audience. By knowing what your viewers are looking for and tailoring your hashtags accordingly, you can significantly enhance your video's reach and engagement. Happy tagging.
Section 5. Hashtag examples from good to great. Let's look at some examples of effective hashtag use. Hash travel, hash food, hash photography, hash travel vlog, hash street food, hash landscape photography, hash travel tips. For beginners, hash best street food in Bangkok. Hash photography tutorial for beginners. Notice how the best examples are more specific and targeted. They tell viewers exactly what to expect from the video. By using a mix of general and specific hashtags, you can attract a wider audience while still targeting those most interested in your content. Section 6. Your hashtag journey begins now. Congratulations. You're now equipped with the knowledge to master YouTube hashtags. Remember, using hashtags effectively is an ongoing process. Experiment with different hashtags, track your results, and adjust your strategy as needed. The key is to keep learning and evolving your hashtag game. So go ahead, add some hashtags to your next video and watch your views climb. You've got this.